Discover the secret to perfectly styled homes with our personalized interior design types make every space shine. So hello guys, and welcome back in today's video. I'll show you step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional websites. Let's get into it. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into wix.com. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here first information like products here, we have here solutions, resources, pricing, Wix Studio, and other things. So what is Wix? Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create and design websites using a drag and drop interface. It offers a range of customizable templates, design tools, and features to help individuals and businesses build professional-looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. So first of all, we have here, if we scroll down, some information like how to create a website for free. So you can just follow these six simple steps to create a website today. So the first step is choose a platform, sign up for a secure, reliable, and powerful website builder. Then we have start creating, choose from over than 900 fully functional templates or use the EA website builder. Then we have customize your website, use the drag and drop editor and tailor your site to fit your brand, optimize for search engines, increase your site's visibility with a search of built-in SEO tools. You have publish your website, register and connect a custom domain name and go live. Then we have the last one, promote and drive traffic. Use built-in marketing tools to grow and expand your reach. Then we have just to click over get started, as you can see. So you have just to write your email and you confirm your email here. Then you have to write your password here. And then you confirm your password. Then you click over sign up. Once you do that, then you click over sign up. So once you sign up and you get started with it, so you have just to follow the steps as you can see. And also we have here some fakes like, is it easy to build a website? How much does it cost to build a website? What types of websites can you build on Wix? How do I create websites? Can I create websites without knowledge? And should I use website builder? How do I build any host? And offers information. You can just click over it and you get your answer. So once you sign up, you have just to write your personal information like password and confirm it and your Gmail. So you can use other options like Google here, Facebook, and if you want to log in, you have just to write your email, then you write your password also, and then you find your account. And Wix offers several benefits for website creation, including its intuitive drag and drop interface that allows users to design and customize websites easily without coding knowledge. It provides a wide range of templates and design tools, enabling users to create professional looking sites tailored to their needs. Additionally, Wix includes built-in features such as SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities, and mobile optimization, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal and business websites. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an appealing choice for those looking to establish a strong online presence quickly. So this is how it works. We have also here some things like products, website design, website templates, EA website builder, e-commerce, scheduling, restaurant blog portfolio, and you have solution here, payment and solutions, mobile app, all businesses features, same system, and we have website analytics, email marketing, SEO tools here, and we have all marketing features also. And about resources we have Wix blog, Wix learn, web design inspiration, Web Center, and hire a professional. And we have logo maker, and we have business name generator, free business tools, and we have here pricing also. We have Wix Studio and Shopify. So let's go with pricing here. So as you can see, we have here various things. You can just get started with it. So you can also upload your image, then you modify all these things like titles and other things. So here we have on platform infinite possibilities. Build a website, manage your business, grow online. You have your website templates that set you up for success. You can just read this information to understand. You have built more than a website, customize it your way. We have here website builder and generate for growth. We have faster loading, and we have built with SEO in mind, enterprise grade security, resilient infrastructure accessible for everyone. Also, we have your Tokyo business where it needs to go, commerce block, scheduling, portfolio. You have domain and hosting. You have branding tools also. Then if you scroll down, you have drive traffic that converts, like complete SEO solution, Google, FB, ads, powered email campaigns, social posts, and more. Then you have manage your business like ePro, and there you have you get inspired, can use skills and see what's trending. Also you have here what the Wix website builder is the best choice for you. We have here right here for you, so we have again answers, contact us, Hi Pro also, and here we have some frequently questions. So tomorrow's success starts today, so we can just get started. So in summary, Wix is a versatile and user-friendly platform that simplifies website creation with its drags and drop functionality and extensive design options, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. So this is how it works with Wix. You can just get started right now and you will earn money with it. So this is it, how it works. So you can just click over get started and you start with Wix. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.